Hello to everyone, my name is Alexander Patiño. Today I'm going to speak about the travel, food and news. The travel destination in this case it's Santa Marta from Colombia. We have several pictures that we can appreciate the place. Presenting travel destination. Santa Marta is a city located in the Caribe Sea in the north of Colombia. This city was the first Spanish settlement in Colombia and it's one of the cities protected by the government, since it has many places of great importance. Santa Marta has many beautiful places that you can visit. Of course, if you go there, you must visit the Tayrona National Park, as it is the most visited park. And you should also know that Tayrona Park is bigger than Taganga, but you can also do many activities there with your family, friends, or your partner. Santa Marta is not very populated, but in the summer it can become a very popular destination. And you should also know that Santa Marta is smaller than Medellin. However, it has the most beautiful places, as it can also be the Sierra Nevada, and that maybe will be the coldest place that you can visit in Santa Marta. We have many recommendations for you. If you want to go to the beach, don't forget your sunscreen, because the sun can hit you very hard. You must dress in comfortable clothes because the winter is warm. Keep your things in your bag. If you have any emergency, don't forget to call the police. And we have local street food. I suggest you eat the carimañola. It's a type of fried food, very delicious. The carimañola is prepared with cassava and cheese. Its preparation is very easy. The cassava is boiled and the cassava is boiled and the base dough is prepared with it. Then the cheese is inserted into the some pies of dough, and finally the carimañola is fried. The carimañola is served with regional sauces. And here we have a new event. So the ONU highlights the work of the departmental government. The recognition is due to the installation of the first territorial reincorporation council in Magdalena. This was the first session of the Territorial Council for Reincorporation held in the meeting room of the government's office of Magdalena, which was attended by other institutions that guarantee human rights. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.